Yeah. And then
Smaka den, så ingen aning.
Du har något form av örtsmör. Inte så skadad.
Inga galler. Tillsammans.
dapat sabi ka.
O, picture na naman namin, ha? Ano ba to?
Ay, video.
Wala, gawa dyan, ha?
Vlogger siya na.
Oh, grabe si ate. Grabe si ate. Yun.
Parais na.
Talaga?
Grabe yung si ate.
In the sofa lite, Sofie.
Hello, ate. Video.
Arang. Very nice. Today, you have eaten your dinner, but seems like it's. I want to hear it loud. All my life, I pray for someone like you, and
I don't want to love anyone because you are the one.
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo. Di walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Wala yeah, okay. Let's go to love me tender, love me true, never let me go. For my darling, my love is true. Una and Annabelle. A couple that prays together, last forever. Mikey and Missy. A couple that do ministry together, no one can ever separate them from the love of God. Torlip and Mercy. A couple that vlogs together are having fun all the way. Krister and Bill. A couple that travels and explores the world together creates a lasting memory forever. Please welcome Joran and Blossom.
Yes. How you all know that?
A couple that understand each other forever, they will stand. Magnus and Gemma. All the way from Nashville. A couple that enjoy each other's company will last for eternity. Please welcome Boy and Mercy. A couple that kiss and make up will make up in love. Okay, once again, Mervin and Gemma.
Yes.
A couple that communicate to each other constantly, values and love each other. Robert and Belinda. And now, a couple that says I love you every day is assured every day. Henrik and John. Always say I love you every time. Sometimes, actually, I'd like to welcome Anna and Butch. You're late, but never late. Welcome to the couple's date tonight. Let me see your in-love faces. Please stand up. Yes, I think love conquers Johanna and Butch! Sa Tagalog, hahamakin ko lahat. Masunod ka lamang. Sasunod sa inyo. Kayo na mag-usap. Yes, welcome! And yes, it's so nice to see you all at this date. Couples Day will serve you guys something that will inspire you and pray for equal.
1 minute.
Ready na? Sandali na. Hoy, i-dance mo dito, ha? Okay, together. Couple together, you can make it. Wait! What? Wait na, wait. Ready, get set, go! Paki-video.
1 hour yan, ha?
Walang bayaan, may nakikita. Si Lord nakikita kayo.
Ayusin niya ako. Wala kayo pag-visitan.
Oh, no walking. Zip it on.
1 hour na lang. 1 hour.
Para sila mga manok tumutuka.
Para may sisiyo. Para may sisiyo sila. Order.
Para sila mga manok nagtutukaan.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Being a Mr.
Everything is made of milk chocolate.
Dance.